So I usually store my soap and shampoo up in here. I have it on the table now, but I like these little packets that come with the Vistabule trailer. I actually find myself putting some good stuff in there. Before we do the shower, I wanted to show you I bought these all-purpose bins at, where was it? The Container Store. And they actually have a lip on them. They actually hold in place very well. And you just lift one up. You can store stuff underneath. So these have worked out really good. I've used these on a few trips now. Another thing I like to do as far as carrying water is I carry the water in these platypus containers, because when you're done, they actually roll up really easily and don't take up space like my other water container did. These each hold 2 liters apiece, and these are mostly for my drinking water. And I have plenty of drinking water. I don't generally drink water out of the tank, but I could. There's no problem with that, and I will eventually. But these work out really good. And then I bought this little trash can on Amazon to store them in. This little trash can on Amazon fits on really cool in here. I use one to hold the water, and then I actually have another one just as a trash can, which fits everything really nice in there. If you're interested in these, I'll actually put the link in the description also for the trash can and even the Container Store if you like there. I keep little things in here like my towel, my quick drying towel for taking a shower, water, that's water, Simple Green, Windex, you need all that stuff. So let's go. I'm gonna show you how I shower. What the fuck? So I get all my gear ready. This is a microfiber kind of quick drying towel from REI. So I have that. I have soap. I have shampoo. And then this is the shower unit right here. So I usually keep this in the sun. It wasn't that sunny today here in the Tetons. So it's going to be a little bit of a cool shower, but that's the new trend, right? And so this is made by Waterport. This is a 2-gallon shower. And then here's the nozzle that hooks on it here. And I'll show you how it hooks together and how you operate the whole thing. Now, a lot of people are thinking, hey, John, 2 gallons or 2.5 gallons? I don't remember if it's 2 or 2.5, but let's just call it 2 gallons. That's not enough. And it really is. My wife and I can get sometimes 3 and 4 showers out of here if we're really conservative. But let me tell you, we're rinsing ourselves off, lathering up with soap, and then rinsing ourselves off again. So we're not using tons of water. So that's how we're getting away with it. For most people, that's not ideal, but for us, it's fine because I just want that sweat and that dirtiness off of you from mountain biking or kayaking, what we did today. So that it works out really good in those situations. Let me show you how this goes together and how I use it. And by the way, I actually store this. I'll show you this. This works out really good in the front of the Vistabule here. So I just take this. This is my storage box here. And I got my chocks down below here. So I just go ahead and store this right in here like this. It sits in the back here. And it's just perfect. I mean, it fits in here well, doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's all I need. Now, if I want a big shower, long shower, I'll go up and spend the $5 and go get a shower at Coulter Bay here where I am, but I don't. This works just fine. So let me show you how this goes together. What I want to do now is show you how I shower camping in the Vistabule. So it's really simple. There's not a lot of water to carry. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so what I do is I keep this in the sun all day. And this is just the lid here. By the way, this company is really good. I actually want to tell you about a problem I have. My threads are getting jarred here. And I take care of this, so I don't know what's causing this. But I wrote a letter into them, and they mentioned that they're going to take care of it. It appears to be. I'll follow up with you on that. But this is the pump here. It's really simple. It's full of water. You put this in, screw it on, and just hand tight. You don't need to go crazy. And then this is the hose for the shower. This just snaps on, quick release, click like that. It has an on and off valve, and then it has different types of spray: shower, jet, flat, mist, center, and then you go ahead and just pump it up like this. Now, there's a lot of different kinds of showers. There's electric showers and all that, but this is simple and it works pretty darn good. So I just pump it away. And then when I'm taking a shower, I generally have 2 pumping sessions. Yes, 2 pumping sessions. I pump it up, spray myself, and then lather up, and then I'll pump it up a little more, and then spray up, wash off all the soap and that type of thing. If you have a wife, girlfriend, husband, boyfriend, that type of thing, what you can do is pump for them, and then they can just have a nice warm shower with luxury, which I recommend that you probably do. お前はもう死んでいる。 So I'm gonna go take a shower now. I'm not gonna show you that part. You do not want to see that, I'm sure. One other thing I forgot to mention. You need something to take, to put on your feet. I use Crocs. You can use flip-flops, whatever you call them, so you don't get your feet all dirty while you're standing in the dirt. So that works really good. Dry yourself off and you're ready to go. So it's simple. This is all you need. The Waterport shower, soap, shampoo, a towel, and shoes. Simple, easy, not a lot to carry, and you're gonna feel absolutely, I mean absolutely amazing. But I'm just gonna go here behind the trees. There's some trees back here, kind of covered. And I keep my swim trunks on, and probably too much information right there, but it's that easy to do. So I'm gonna go do that right now. And that's how I take quick showers in the Vistabule. Again, probably not ideal for people think this is crazy, but it works really well. And you feel so good when you rinse yourself off, dry yourself off, and you're like, oh my God, that was amazing. So I hope you enjoyed that. And then also, I wanted to show you some photos that I took here at the Grand Tetons, and I hope you enjoy these.